Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys have noticed or haven't noticed, but I haven't been uploading on Vlogmas videos, and I really wanted to jump in real quick and let you guys know what is really going on. Like, I try to keep y'all updated on my community tab, but I noticed that people don't, check for my community tab like talking about. So I thought, why not make a quick video and let you guys know, because y'all don't be checking for my community tab, which is fine. I mean, I can't hold no judgments there, and I can't, no shade. But I haven't been uploading every day. Vlogmas is always so serious to me. Like, I feel so strongly about Vlogmas, so much that every Vlogmas I try to either already have my content scheduled out, like I've already pre-recorded everything besides the vlogs. The content part I always try to have scheduled already and pre-filmed and all that stuff, but the vlogs I like to always vlog, get it up, give y'all eventful day type ordeal, and have it up and ready to go. But as you guys notice, I haven't been able to do that this Vlogmas, and it really did a number on me, because normally around Vlogmas time is when I normally would gain a lot of my diamonds and gems, and it actually like hit me bad this time because the Mac is in the shop. My baby girl is in the freaking shop. Like, there was a software update or a computer update or something, and my wife went to do it. I told her that it keeps popping up, so when she tried it, it went apeshit, and everything on the computer that could go wrong did go wrong. My mom gave me a hard drive to borrow so that I could back up all my videos that I already put on there. She gave me a hard drive to use so I could back up my stuff, and we backed up everything. And my wife tried to master reset the computer, and I told her she could master reset the computer just as long as the freaking Mac would just start working again like the correct way. I didn't care, because y'all know that I literally use that Mac for everything, and I don't have a backup computer. I don't have that. I used to have a Acer's computer laptop thingy when I first started my YouTube, and I was using Windows Movie Maker to edit. But after like a few years of using that, I stopped using it once I got the Mac, and of course I kept it off forever. And y'all know how it goes when you really don't use a laptop, that tends to go out of whack too or whatever. But I also broke the charger to it, so therefore I don't have that Acer, which I need to get on Amazon. Y'all remind me in the comments below to get on Amazon and find a universal charger for that laptop, just so that I can have something for backup, because I can wipe that computer clean too and just have something for backup. But when the Mac started acting up, I was already having troubles with it prior to it acting up, because for some reason in my iMovies, like, all my transitions just disappeared. Like, they just disappeared. Not the titles, not the themes, not the sound effects, just the transitions disappeared, like, for no reason. So if y'all notice, for the last few months I haven't been having like transitions in my videos because I don't have them. So I was working with that, like not having transitions. Don't know how to purchase like the plugins and stuff. I don't know how to get into all that. I did have Final Cut Pro for free, Final Cut Pro 10 for free about a year ago, but the Mac ended up telling me that somehow, some way, I didn't have no more storage on my computer, which was full of shit, because every time I download anything to that computer, like if it's pictures or overlays and anything, after I'm done with it, I delete it, because I only use that Mac for literally editing. That's it. So for it to tell me that, I ended up having to erase Final Cut Pro to give my memory some space, or whatever the case may have been with that stuff. But I ended up deleting that, and I couldn't get it again. My friend who had sent it to me years ago tried to send it to me again, but for some reason it would not work. So I didn't have that no more, so I was just still strictly on iMovies. And everybody knows that I only use my Mac for iMovies. Like, I don't use the FaceTime, I don't use the messages, I use the internet, of course, and stuff like that, but I never used it for anything else besides editing purposes or checking emails, doing business. That's the only thing I use that computer for. And it's a desktop Mac, if you guys didn't know. But once my wife took everything off of there and cleaned it off, master resetted it and everything, she was like, fuck y'all. Like, she just like said, she just went the out. Like, she didn't give two fucks. So, of course, I was stressed out. Of course, I was, like, I can't say I caught a panic attack or anxiety or anything. I was just pissed off. Like, I wasn't pissed off at my wife. I was just pissed off that anything and everything that I'm always trying to do when it comes down to this YouTube is like, it always comes back and bite me in the ass. And I always ask, like, is this a sign that I should no longer be doing YouTube? Should I not be focused in on YouTube no more? Should I, this is not the path for me or something? Like, I'm always like, literally, it's always every time I'm doing good with my YouTube, every time I'm consistent with my YouTube, every time I'm like into it, beating the pavement with the YouTube, recording every day, editing every day, uploading every day, I done got better with my thumbnails, and like, I always get so good, and in my swing of things, like being the schmood, and something always goes wrong. So I don't know if this is like that sign for me, like, this is not where your career is going to be. This is not where you're going to make your income. I don't know. But my wife also like reversed it on me and was like, I wonder if God is trying to, see how far you're willing to go, or would you just throw it all away, or would you prove to him that you would keep going and nothing's going to stop you type thing. Like, she did flip it on me. And I was just like, that's not really what I wanted to hear. I like, if I'm pissed off, I everything is negative at that moment. So no, I don't want to hear, oh, this is a test from God, because God knows how bad I love YouTube. God knows how bad I want the YouTube life. So you don't have to test me on anything. Like, don't test me when it comes to the computer. Like, give me my first sponsorship and, let me go through some trials and tribulations that way. Don't test me on the editing software I have. Don't test me on the only computer I have to edit and get this stuff out. Like, it just went really negative, really bad, and I just got so frustrated and didn't want to talk to nobody for days or whatever. So, real life yesterday, my wife took the Mac to Apple Care was like, oh, give me a few minutes, about 45 minutes, and we're going to take care of it, this and that. Somehow, some way, the hard drive split or some craziness or some stuff. Like, There's nothing completely wrong with the computer. The hard drive just split up into multiples. I still didn't understand it. I didn't understand it at all. My wife, I know she didn't understand it, because I was like, you got to break it down to me to where I can understand. Like, I don't get what you're talking about. And she really didn't give me no explanation from what she had just previously said. So I was like, okay, you don't understand it, like, whatsoever. You don't understand it neither. So just let them fix it or whatever, and like get baby girl back home so I could jump back on recording and stuff, like, and putting my stuff up. Because literally, you guys, it had got so bad, like I had stopped recording content for a minute now. I had a lot of content on my computer to edit and go up, and it could, you know, could have helped me stretch through this month. But I also had to stop recording because the computer kept saying it was full. The computer kept acting up. Like, the computer kept deleting stuff. So I was just too scared to even record and put it onto the computer, because I only hold my stuff on an SD card. And I have like 8 SD cards that I film with. And I just hold them there because I didn't want to upload them and then take the chance of losing it. And then so many videos you could record on 8 SD cards before you don't have an SD card to film on. So it was just like a whole bunch of mess and a whole bunch of bull crap, stressful stuff that I was going through and dealing with, that I was just like, my mind was just like blown. I didn't know which way, like, I don't know which way to go. My mind is just blown. I can't deal. I put down like a solid foundation of concrete stuff that I want to do for 2020, at least to jumpstart me. I have January planned the fuck out, and baby girl is in the shop. Like, it went from 45 minutes to a day to 35 days. And it's like, and this all happened within like, okay, we fixed it. Okay, well, this is another problem. Okay, well, we fixed that. Okay, well, we're not too for sure about this, and we're not, you know what, let's just leave it so that we can make sure. Like, it was just stupid. And I was like, how in the fuck does it goes from that? Like, it goes from a few minutes to a day to multiple days. Like, how does that work? And y'all sitting there saying there's whatever it was that was playing with my computer or whatever, you literally just fixed it. But I don't know, I didn't get it. They want to put the software update on the computer, which is Catalina, and Catalina is the one who started the bullshit. When Catalina popped up on my Mac, she started the drama and started messing up my Mac and stuff, and like just started getting real messy in my business, and you know, trying to stop my hustle. And then here y'all are saying y'all really want to put it on there so that this won't happen again. Like, how, when she's the one who started it? Like, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know. But I was like, you know what, let them do it. It's nothing I could do. It's nothing I could really do about it. So just let it be that. Y'all have her for a few days, but I know when I get her back, I bet not have no problems. Everything should look like a brand new Mac. Like, it should be a brand new Mac, and the most updated Mac there is. It just irritates me. Where are you going with this big ass trailer, and you think you're gonna bogart the whole motherfucking, I'm sorry, you guys, like, this is stupid. Why are y'all doing this? Stop. This is dumb. I hate the highway, and I hate that our highway has gotten messed up, because people will literally try to wreck you before they have to merge, and they wait till the very last minute to merge, and they swear up and down they rather slam into your ass than to just sit there and merge way back there. Like, it is so stupid. Anyways, so the Mac is in the shop. I don't know how long she's gonna take. My twin sister told me that I needed to learn how to film on my phone. I have the Galaxy Samsung 8 S8 Plus, and we're on like the 10 or 11 by now, but I have the 8S Plus, S8 Plus, whatever, you know what I mean. I have the Galaxy 8, so I don't know how to record. Well, I mean, I know how to record, but I don't know how to film on this phone. I don't know how to edit on this phone. But you guys, just to at least try to keep my content going and me not just say screw Vlogmas, we'll just pick back up next year, because you guys, within the next 2-3 weeks, you guys will forget about me. Y'all barely even know me now. Y'all will fucking forget about me. Like, y'all would be done with me if I was to just be like, screw it, I'll wait till the beginning of the year. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna learn how to work with this phone and try to record something. It may not be the best of content there is, but I'm going to try to post something, even if it's just a quick jump in video like this, letting you guys know an update of what's going on. I'm gonna do that. Like, I don't want to lose you guys. I have been gaining diamonds and gems, so I want to keep growing, and I don't want to go missing for the next 2 to 3 weeks and y'all just go into 2020 like, girl, who? A.MaRee who? Like, I don't want that, because I've been working so freaking hard to do better and get better at this YouTube life. So that's basically what's been going on. And y'all, I've been in such a bad funk that I just have not been doing makeup. I have been doing clients though. I have had a few clients. I haven't filmed them or anything, but I have had a few clients here and there. But putting makeup on myself, I just been, my mind's been so messed up. My mind's just been so messed up, and then trying to focus on Christmas and focus on my kids, my marriage, and it's not much I can do about any of it. It's like my mind's just been jacked. So I just wanted to, like I said, come in and tell you guys what's been going on, why you haven't been seeing your girl, why Vlogmas hasn't been going like it should be. I know probably 9 times out of 10 with my income tax, I am going to get like a Mac ProBook or a MacBook or something, like a little laptop to go along with the Mac desktop, so that I can have something else to back up on. My wife just got the iPhone 11, and she was like, well, we'll just have to edit off this until we can get the Mac back. But I know she can't edit every day. She don't even know how to edit. Like, she don't know how to edit on the computer, but she says she got the concept on her phone. I don't know how that will work, because I used to film every single day. I haven't not filmed every day. And then I don't know how to